Hey guys, I'm coming to you today to talk about this unit called Moneymaker. This comes from Sensationnel and it is one of their textured lace wigs. And I love this unit. I think it is very beautiful. It looks very natural. It definitely emulates African American hair all the way down to the frizz, and I love this because it makes it look even more natural. I got this unit in the color 1B, and as the video continues you are going to see how the wig is constructed, how I put it on, and how I applied it and styled it. And I played around trying to put it up and stuff like that, so you'll see that too. But if you like this, stay tuned so you can check me out. I don't know if I should be giving you guys wig advice because I'm not like a wigologist, but you know, I'm an enthusiast and I like to play around with a wig, honey. So I want to make videos and continue showing you guys these units that I find and love. If you are new, thank you for coming. Join the crew. Hit that subscribe button below. And if you are returning, thank you. I love you. And you know, girl, we're going to keep rising to the top. So, yes, tell me what you guys think about this. I will see you guys later. I love you. And I will talk to you soon. Bye. This unit is a money maker. Do you like it or do you love it? Because I love it. It's so nice and full. Hey guys. Let's get into it, girl. This unit, number one, is very, very natural. It is a very natural unit, so close. I mean, it's just spot on to black hair. And I love it. I love it. It's like Sensational kills it every single time. It's sensational. Hello. But what I like about this unit is not only that, but I love the curls. I like that the curls are full, but they're very light. They're not too heavy. They have a very light texture, almost as if you were natural and you did like a curl set in your hair and just took it out and let it went outside and it would poof up. It just gives you a very natural vibe. So I really like this unit for that reason. I can wear this wig to work like this and then leave, go to happy hour and pin it up. I mean, we really can't do that right now because we are in quarantine, but I'm just saying, I guess you should put this wig up so that you can pull it out later. Anyway. If we could get some what's a lace action here, you would be on the money. And I believe this is a full synthetic wig, so if we were able to get something like this that was like a human hair blend, I feel like that would be great because it would last longer, and if you mix that up with the what's lace, you would have a lot of styling options, and this wig would be sold out every time because this wig is so natural to black hair. I know a lot of people are buying this unit, so that's the only thing I really have to say about the unit. What do you guys like about it? Have you bought it yet, or do you plan on getting it? If you do, I would like you to tag me. I can add you up on my Instagram story. If you are new, thank you for joining us and watching to the end. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. I love this wig and I want you to get it, and I want you to send it to me on Instagram so I can feature you on my Insta story at Dell or my Snap, whichever one, maybe even both, really, honestly. So, alright guys, I will see you in the next video. Be safe, be smart, and I'll see you.